Ever pondered about the leading programming languages of 2024? As technology evolves, so does the landscape of programming languages. Some languages rise to prominence while others fall out of favor. Today we're going to delve into the top 10 programming languages of this year based on market share and trend data. Starting off at number 10, we have Objective-C. This general-purpose object-oriented programming language adds small-talk-style messaging to the C programming language. It holds a market share of 2.37%, showing a slight increase of 0.1%. Swift swiftly takes the 9th spot. This powerful and intuitive programming language for Apple operating systems has a market share of 2.75%, marking an increase of 0.5%. Next up at number 8, we find TypeScript. This open-source language developed by Microsoft holds a market share of 2.78%, and it's holding steady. At 7th place, we have PHP. Despite being a popular choice for web development, PHP's market share has dipped by 0.6%, bringing it to 4.57%. RR, a language and environment for statistical computing and graphics, takes 6th place. It has a market share of 4.75%. with an impressive increase of 0.7%. Coming in at number 5 is C#. This modern object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft holds a market share of 6.73%, despite a slight decrease of 0.1%. The 4th spot is occupied by the duo of C and C++. These powerful high-level languages have a combined market share of 6.92%, marking a slight increase of 0.1%. JavaScript, the backbone of modern web development, comes in at number 3. It holds a market share of 8.57%, showing a slight decrease of 0.1%. Java, the object-oriented language that needs no introduction, ranks 2nd. Despite a minor decrease of 0.1%, it still commands a market share of 15.52%. And finally, the top spot goes to Python. This high-level interpreted programming language has a market share of 28.11%, marking an increase of 0.6%. Its simplicity and versatility make it a favorite among programmers. In conclusion, while Python continues to dominate, languages like R and Swift are showing significant growth. Meanwhile, stalwarts like Java and JavaScript maintain their strong positions. It's a dynamic world out there in the realm of programming languages, and it's fascinating to see how these languages evolve and influence the technology landscape. And before we wrap up, let's not forget the languages that narrowly missed the top 10 but are worth mentioning: Rust, Go, and Kotlin, each with their respective market shares and trends. Remember, the best programming language is not necessarily the most popular one, but the one that best suits your project needs and expertise. Happy coding!